All right, viewers, let's cut across to the latest coming in from Bengal and other parts of the country in the backdrop of SIR taking place nationwide. Fair amount of politics peaking at the back of this. A full-blown SIR showdown right now playing out in the state of West Bengal, where Mamata Banerjee has taken to the streets, threatening that if she is attacked, her people are attacked, she'll shake the foundations of the nation. Take a look.
India's voter roll cleanup is now a full-blown political flashpoint. Phase 2 of the SIR is no longer just an administrative exercise. It is triggering street protests, chaos on the ground, and a fierce political crossfire. In Thakur Nagar, Mamata Banerjee stepped up her attack on the BJP and the Election Commission.
একটি মানুষের গায়ে আঁচল লাগলে মনে রাখবেন আমার গায়ে আঁচল লাগবে এটুকু আমি বিশ্বাস করি আমার বাংলা ভালো থাকলে দেশটা ভালো থাকবে
This comes after Bengal Chief Minister sent a strongly worded letter to the Election Commission. In a letter, the Chief Minister questioned the need to outsource SIR data work and asked whether the outsourcing process was serving vested interests. She added that the proposal for polling stations in private buildings was problematic, asserting that stations must be located in government or semi-government buildings, as using private buildings could compromise fairness. Soon after, the Election Commission has called the TMC for a meeting on November 28th. But another flashpoint now building on the ground is the death of several booth-level officers. BLOs across Bengal are protesting crushing workloads, impossible data entry targets, and what they describe as misconduct in the SIR process. Since November 9th, 6 BLOs in Bengal have allegedly died by suicide. Families say their final notes blame the Election Commission. A video from Hooghly has now gone viral. A school teacher in BLO is seen breaking down after hours of failed online submissions and repeated server crashes. Mamata Banerjee posted her profound shock over the death of another school teacher. Meanwhile, leader of opposition Suvendu Adhikari has hit back and accused the TMC of allowing infiltration in the SIR process.
पश्चिम बंगाल में थर्ड पार्टी जो सरकार का लोग नहीं है वो भी डाटा एंट्री कर रहा है, खास करके वेबल्स जो बीएसके का एम्प्लॉय है, टीएमसी का सब कैडर है.
And this backlash is not limited to Bengal. In Tamil Nadu, SIR teams report long hours and tight deadlines, with repeated app failures forcing manual re-verification.
First reason to boycott this process is workload. We have been working up to 1 o'clock in the offices, so it's not possible to complete this Himalayan.
1 o'clock in the night?
Yeah. Every day. 6.5 orders, we have to check it 100% door to door. It's not an easy job. So we want extra time. Apart from this, we have not sanctioned any additional posts for this.
Kerala too is flagging stress. BLOs in several panchayats cite unrealistic door-to-door verification timelines. The state also reported its first BLO suicide a few days ago. Anish George, a school office attendant. No note was found, but family members claim he was anxious about meeting SIR deadlines. Gujarat reported 4 deaths since November 20th, including suicide and heart attacks. Kin of all deceased blamed SIR-related duties. Two died in Rajasthan. A 45-year-old BLO died after allegedly jumping in front of a train. His family alleged that workload and deadline pressure pushed him to end his life. From Bengal to Tamil Nadu, from Kerala to Uttar Pradesh, the SIR drive that was meant to clean India's voter lists is now facing scrutiny for overburdening the very people who keep the world's largest democracy running. Is it politicization of due process, or is the pressure on the system and ground level workers is too much to handle? Bureau Report, India Today.